Hello guys, welcome to my review channel. Today I'll be unboxing and giving you a quick overview of this Fastrack wristwatch for women. You can see the model number over here, and this I got it from Flipkart during the big billion day sale. You can see MRP 2750 and latest manufacture. If you don't know, Fastrack is a sub brand of Titan company, and this is one of their sports line or stylish line watches. The watch is analog, simple analog watch, completely made of metal, both watch and band. You do have the slip and all that. You can see on top I paid 727 rupees for this watch, almost a 2000 rupees discount. This watch was sold on Flipkart as Flipkart exclusive, and you have the warranty guide and the instruction manual. Let's take a quick look at the manual. This is basically the warranty card itself, along with do's and don'ts of the watch, how to maintain your watch, and how to set different functionalities for all the watches. This watch has just a simple hour, minute and second hand. No other dials are there, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Now the build quality of the watch, top to bottom, everything is made of stainless steel metal, and it has got a very good brushed aluminum, not brushed gold finish. The watch size is 36 millimeters side to side, and 16 millimeters is the band width. This is the stainless steel back, and the gold dial. It has this sunburst pattern to it, which gives it a very premium and classy look. Now, especially for this price, if you're getting it, it's very good. It do comes with a 2 years warranty provided by Titan, and for this price, I think it's very good. Steal of a deal. Now I'm gonna put this on my mom's hand and show you how it looks like on a woman's wrist. As you can see, she's wearing it. 36 is the dial size, so for a lady's watch it is quite big and prominent and looks very stylish. So if you want to gift it to your girlfriend, sister, mom, wife, anyone, you can definitely buy this, but for this price it's very good. Hope you like my video. Like and subscribe guys, and meet you in next video. Thank you.